The doctor population ratio is almost 1:800, which is better than the WHO standard, which is 1:1000. But the sad part is that 80% of Indian doctors live in the urban areas. So 2/3 of the country has only 20% of the doctors.
Hello. Welcome back. Namaste, Johar. My name is Anushri Tiwari, and we are back with another episode of What's Hot in Rural India, the India Rural Colloquy edition. So today we will be talking about health and nutrition, and for that we have Neerja with us. Neerja is the Associate Director with us at TRI, and she's based out of Chhattisgarh.
So health and nutrition care in rural India is quite complex, and it's quite a serious matter. Although, there are some positives like government's prioritization, which is very obvious from the growing healthcare expenditure. The hospital market has grown exponentially. There's, insurance coverage covering almost 55 crores individual. And there's also declining out-of-pocket expenditure. But at the same time, there are issues of malnutrition. So, although progress has been done, community is still struggling with basics at the ground level. We need to talk about the entire design and redesign of rural healthcare, which should be, around what community demands and what community's aspirations are. Currently, the healthcare is very medication, treatment-based or facility-based and very, very supply-heavy. We literally have one scheme for every disease that exists in the world. So, but by the time it reaches the communities, it is diluted into a fraction of that mission or scheme, which is heavily reliant on the absorption capacity of the frontline workers, So now that, especially COVID has expedited the acceptance of digital health, we need to redesign the entire healthcare around the permanent residents of these rural localities, which are the communities, panchayats, and the local administration. And this is what brings us to a new design developed by TRI, which is called the Neighborhoods of Care, which is based on community aspirations. It is place-based, gender transformative, grounded heavily at simple activities at home, social spaces, and healthcare interface. So this is what we need to talk about.
Bringing up solutions that are so locally available, bringing up solutions that are locally designed is, I think, the need of an hour for solving any of the rural community challenges as of now. And we are doing India Rural Colloquy at Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, everywhere this time. So why should they become part of these conversations?
In last year's India Rural Colloquy, we actually came out with a report called The State of Health in Rural India. And it has been instrumental, and we hope that even this year's India Rural Colloquy will help us onboard Samaj Sarkar Bazaar, create strategic pathways through governments and multiple other routes, create those spaces and platforms where evidence can be generated and co-created with the communities, and collaborate for active engagement in good governance in general. So we hope that even this year we are able to pave a way for a renewed outlook of health and nutrition care.
And we will be taking up these conversations ahead at national and regional levels. So thank you so much for sharing your comments and feedbacks on the topics that you want to discuss with us and you want us to discuss about.
Please tune in to India Rural Colloquy, the Chhattisgarh chapter, where we are going to talk about One Health, which is the future-proofing of health of people, animals, and the environment, with neighborhoods of care embedded in it. So please tune in on 1st of August. See you all there.
I request all of you to please register yourselves on the link. The link will be somewhere in the description, and we'll also add it in the stories and also on LinkedIn. So please reach out to TRI if you have any problem, or me, you know the format. Please send your feedbacks and queries to us. Thank you so much for joining us, Neerja. We'll see you in another episode with another great conversation. Till then, bye-bye.